Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to free up storage on your Android phone without using any app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are avoiding this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do here is to head over to our Google Play Store on our Android phone. I'm going to open up my Play Store right here. Having opened up my Play Store, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I go to Manage Apps and Devices. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to Manage. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. I'm going to click on Not Install. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on Not Install. Here you have all apps that you have been deleting so far on your Android phone. Everything is going to be reinstalled right here, and this is consume a lot of storage space on your Android phone. And what you can do here is to simply select as many as possible app that you will no longer use right here. So having select as many as possible app you are no longer use right there. So I select about 5 right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on this trash bin icon right here. Then make sure you click on remove. So you can remove as many as possible app that you are no longer use. Once you remove them, all the data about the app will be totally deleted from your Android phone. Okay. Now, next thing we want to do is to exit from the Play Store, and then we want to go and review our file manager storage. And for you to do that, simply come to the top right here, type in file manager. Click on your file manager. Then after you open up your file manager, it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on storage use right here. Click on manage. Then it's going to take you right here. Here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you review your recently deleted large files, old files, and junk files. These are 4 important files you need to review in order to free up storage space on your Android phone. I'm going to start with recently deleted. So it's going to open up like so. Here, this is where you see all the recently deleted files you have on your Android phone. Now, you can review and uncheck any one of them that you don't want to delete it. But if you want to delete everything, next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete selected items. So click on that. Then if I delete all these 77 files right here, I'm going to save about 70 gig storage. That's quite massive. So I'm going to click on delete right here. It's that simple. Then I'll simply go back right here. Then I have a lot of storage saved right here, as you can see. Okay, just like what you see right now, I was able to save a lot of storage back onto my phone right here. Then one more thing you can do here, you can review images, documents, videos, audio file, APK file, other file, and system files. So you can review you can review any of these files right here in order to gain more storage space. So let's move to the large files right here. So click on large files. When you click on large files, it's take you right here, and this is where you remove or delete some of the files that you are no longer use right here, but they are in your phone, occupy a lot of storage space on your phone. So what you need to do is to simply review them. You can select as many as possible file right here that you are no longer use right here. You can review and select as many as possible, just like so. So once you select them, simply click on delete items. Delete, and you have saved a lot of storage right here. You can also move to the old files. Then under the old file right here, review as many as possible or so and get them deleted. So from here, you can delete as many as possible file right here or so. So let's exit from the file manager. Lastly, we have to go to our phone master right here. Then from the phone master, right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on clean storage. Then from your storage clean right here, you can review right here, such as you can review your clean up large files, recycle bin, app install. You can scroll down right here and also review your trash and review your apps, images, videos, and files that you have on your phone, and likewise the audio file right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to simply review my trash right here. So trash files are some of the files that you have been deleted so far on your phone, but each time you are deleting any file on your phone, it moves right here and it's going to stay up to 7 days before the system automatically deletes it. So in some cases, you might also visit your trash file to manually delete any trash you don't want on your phone in order to free up more storage space on your phone. So right here, I have some of the trash file right here. So what you need to do is you can simply review as many as possible right here. Review them. Anyone you don't want, just review. Once you select as many as possible trash file you don't want, next thing you need to do is to click on delete right here. And then make sure you click on delete, and you are going to save a lot of storage space from there. We can simply go back here or go again, and then we can also review our video file right here and delete as many as possible file that we don't want on our phone. Is that simple? So with that, you should be able to save more storage space on your phone. And lastly, you can click on clean junk file right here. So this allows to clean up some of the junk file that occupy a lot of storage space on your Android phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.